Oh my God. What is that? Baby, that's a pie.
That's all of them now, them big now.
You smell so good.
You gonna make breakfast for me? Like we gonna cook forever together?
We're going to make breakfast forever.
Together?
Every morning. I don't have a clue of what we're doing.
I do too. Don't say that. I cook. Cut up and dice ham.
We're just going to cut up a little bit of ham.
I'll do the bacon, you can do the mushrooms. Dicing up some bell peppers. We're gonna keep the mushrooms separate. I'm gonna do mine without mushrooms, yours with mushrooms.
All right, there we go. We got the mushrooms.
Black label bacon. Melvin in the kitchen making breakfast. I would say like maybe 3.
You need more than that.
For one omelet? How big do you want the omelet, babe?
Big.
Big for Big Mal. Caitlin's not gonna eat an omelet. I can guarantee you that.
Scrambled eggs. All right, we got that.
Let me do this.
Okay, I say we pre-cook the bacon. Let's pre-cook the bacon. Okay.
Cook it all together.
You do yours and I'll do mine.
Melvin, let me do this. You have to saute that.
I'm looking at this right now. I'm like, so much. Babe, no. I think they put it all in there together.
They saute it, take it out, then put the eggs in there.
My God, today.
Let your wife do this. You see this, y'all? Who doesn't pre-cook the bell peppers? You have to.
You don't pre-cook the bell peppers.
Yes, you do. Even when I put them in rice, you have to pre-cook them.
Yes, you do. The bell pepper.
Raw. Yes, you do. You saute them.
You can eat a bell pepper raw.
But we're not. But we're not.
Lord have mercy. First time in the kitchen. Here we go.
Yeah.
Now she wanna put the bacon in there. I think the bacon needs to be pre-cooked. Not all the way.
Not just like the ham. Not all the way.
Okay, but the ham is already cooked.
Baby.
Ham is fully cooked because you can take the ham and make a sandwich, but you can't take that bacon and make a sandwich. Am I right? He's right, girl. He right.
Give me a Oh, I could have did it with that other pan, the better pan.
Yeah, just pour a little bit of that. Just pour a little bit.
Yeah, because it got to flip. Ooh. I gotta make sure that not pick it up. I like the other spatula a little bit better because it's thinner. Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Just help it out.
There you go. Help it out.
Woo!
Woo! Is it spilling over?
That makes
Hold it together. Got me a big old Mexican omelet. Good God, today. My goodness.
It's the pan, people.
I just wanted a little something. My God, today she done have to pour that on the plate. How you gonna flip it?
I'm gonna flip it like a flapjack. I'm gonna flip it like I flip everything else for you.
Oh my God. What is that? Baby, that's a pie.
You know, some people put them in squares.
Man.
It's gonna still taste good. Like, stop playing.
Stop playing. Yeah, you're right. Stop playing.
It's gonna still taste
You playing with me. Good God, this is a whole...
It's an omelet. Omelets are big.
Oh my God. Okay.
Let's see the other side. I want to make sure it's cooked all the way for you.
God,
all right, don't judge the first one. I haven't made an omelet in a long time.
yeah.
I'm sorry, babe. I don't know how I'm gonna flip it. I need 2 spatulas.
2 spatulas.
It tore apart.
I don't think that's gonna go together.
But I gotta flip it.
Okay, flip it.
Oh my god.
I don't think.
There you go. Cause I need that side to cook. All right, it looks okay. Next time I got.
Go ahead,
I tried, babe.
Oh, my sugar, she tried.
I tried. I don't do, because I'm not a big egg person. So when I do my eggs, but I'm going to perfect my omelets for you.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
You know what they use? A lot of people only use egg white when they're making an omelet. So when I make yours.
Oh, you're going to make mine?
Baby, why you keep flipping it? What is this? This ain't no pancake. Did you put the cheese in there?
Oh, I forgot the cheese.
Oh my God! What kind of omelet we gonna have without cheese? Okay, go ahead and put it on the plate.
I forgot the cheese. Do you want me to melt the cheese on top?
No, baby.
Oh my God! I forgot the cheese. The cheese is right there. Oh my God, y'all! I'm sorry, Melvin. I'm sorry. I know it's gonna be dry. You want cheese? Oh my God! This is embarrassing, baby. I'm so sorry. Get all that meat for you. Man, how do you let me forget the cheese, Melvin?
You say you know how to make omelets.
I do, but I forgot the cheese.
Okay.
All right, look. I know what to make it better.
Come
over
Wait
here.
a minute. What's that? What's that? What you about to do? What you about to do now?
Come on. This is for the plate.
Wait. You finna put some parsley on it now?
Yeah.
No, man. Don't put it on there now. I don't want it on there now. I don't want it on there now. Well, here we go.
Melvin.
First made omelet of the marriage. This is the side.
I forgot the cheese.
You know, we can add the cheese later. Okay, let's see if this.
I'm sorry. It tore all apart. It's hot.
Yeah, it should be hot.
I tried not to season it too much because you don't like a lot of seasoning. All you said was
We need more mushrooms. Did you put the mushrooms in there?
I made all the mushrooms you gave me. What's missing?
Cheese is missing. The eggs taste like they go in a shrimp fried rice.
How does it taste?
You want to try it?
No, I don't want mushrooms. I'm gonna make mine.
Baby, you can't even tell the mushrooms are in there.
Well, that was just the first bite. So you gotta eat something else. Oh God, I can't believe I recorded this.
Yeah. It's good.
Like, is it really good?
No, it's good.
You just wish you had cheese.
It's what's in there. Okay. All right. Yep.
It's edible.
Right. We're perfected. Yeah. America, eat your heart out. My wife just made the best omelet.
No, you know
Homemade.
it ain't the best.
For me. Okay, that's hot.
That's hot.
That's hot.
Yeah. All right, let me get you some OJ. Okay, I'm gonna taste his omelet because something tell me it's good. Yeah, it's not holding together, so that's the problem. But all the ingredients are here. That's good. Cheese and a little bit more seasoning. I like mine with more seasoning. Okay. So he's gonna now make my omelet. Let's go. But he's still eating. I will never forget your cheese again. And the cheese is right on the counter. All right, y'all. He's in here. Look, I gotta go so far up because my man's so tall from the stove. He in here making, sauteing the bacon and the ham.
I got an eggshell in there.
You got an eggshell in my egg? I know you lying. Oh my Lord, my man trying to choke me.
I got it.
was a big old piece. Oh my goodness. And we're going back and forth like he know what he's doing a little bit. Now you just playing in the bacon. All right, so he took out the bacon and the ham.
I am not a chef.
All right.
Somebody rush me out, Lord God. She wants her bell peppers and everything sauteed before we add it into the omelet. That's what she wanted. She liked it like that.
I can't see what you're doing. Your hand is in the camera. Do you use all of it?
No.
Use all of it, babe.
No, I don't want a big omelet.
Can I get a little bit more meat? Oh, that's good. That's good. That's gonna be. All right.
We're just gonna add a little bit of cheese in there. You want to? All right, onion powder. What is this?
Salt and pepper.
All right, what else?
That'll be good.
I should flip it by now.
Yeah, you gotta close it up, not flip it. You're gonna close it.
Listen, that you're trying to tell me how to make my omelet, and you've already made mine.
Let's see. See how easy it is to.
So we need a better skillet.
And you need to turn the grease up.
Definitely, no, I don't want to cook it on high.
Baby, it cooks.
I don't want to cook on high. We're going to make you a burrito.
Yeah, not an omelet, clearly.
Not an omelet. So you got too much grease in there.
It's because you're not cooking. Turn it up.
You got too much grease in there.
If you would just turn it up some, darling. I don't know why you're scared of fire. You got to cook.
I don't cook on high.
Because you don't
All
have
right,
the
now
grease.
we're going to cook it, okay? We're going to burn it.
We're not going to burn
We're
it.
going to cook on high.
It's not high, but turn it up medium.
Okay.
Because it got to...
We got a flame to it now, everybody. She recommended. And there's too much oil in there. I told her not to put so much oil in there.
That's because you didn't have...
Oh my God, that's too much oil. Oh my God.
All right.
All right. How it look?
Like a burrito.
It do look like a burrito. Or maybe an omelet.
All right, he over here about to flip it. Let's see what it looks
Lord, here we go. A mess. Oh, it burned because we turned it up.
It's not burning.
Yes, it is. It's burning.
Burnt.
Oh, that's hard.
Baby.
That's hard. Okay, I've never made an omelet before.
Clearly.
Whatever.
Let's see. Ah.
Not bad, right?
Not bad.
Not bad, huh? All right, that's it.
Yeah.
All right. Voila. Ta-da.
Thank you.
Taste test time. We dancing in the kitchen.
Uh-oh, look at Malvin, big mouth.
You smell so good.